welcome again. Today we will be solving a question related to indices. So let's start one by one. Okay? Let's start with A. Question is simple. Just it look like complex. Okay, it's not. So let's do it. X power m plus n plus 2 into x. I write this type of x because there might be confusion. X and into is simple this way, and x is little modified. X power m plus n plus 2 upon x square m plus n plus 1 is equal to x square. Okay, let's start with left hand side, which is this one. So start with this one. Here you can see this is a base and this is the base. Base is same and in between the base there is multiplication, right? So what we can do, simply add the power when the base are same and there is multiplication in between. What you need to do, add the power. M plus n plus 2 plus m plus n plus 2 divided by x, bracket in here, 2m plus 2n plus 2. Just multiply this here, and this one here. 2m, 2n and 2. Then add this one and this one, x 2m, add this one and this one, 2n plus add this one and this one. It's 4 divided by x 2m plus 2n plus 2. Now here also the base is same. In between the same base there is division, right? So what we can do, subtract the power. 2m plus 2n plus 4 minus bracket start. This all three goes up, right? So minus 2m, this comes here, plus 2n, this comes here, plus 2. Now x 2m plus 2n plus 4 minus this goes here, so it's 2m, this goes here, so minus 2n, this goes here, then minus 2. It means minus into plus is minus, minus into plus minus, and again minus into plus it's minus. So minus minus minus. Okay, 2m and minus 2m, it's 0. So x power 0 plus 2n minus 2n is also 0, and 4 minus 2 is plus 2. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is x square is equal to right hand side. It's proved, right? It's not that complex. Remember the law of indices. Let's do the second question. Okay, I will write the second question B here. This is the second question, right? Here also it's similar to the first one. The base, here you can see the bases are same and between the base there is multiplication, right? So what we can do, add all this one and this one. Just add these three. Okay, p minus q plus 1 plus, just add it, so no need to write bracket. Q minus r plus 1 plus r minus p plus 1 upon x power 3 is equal to x. You can see p here and another p here. It's plus, here it's minus, means it's 0. In this way you can see here also, this is also here minus, it's plus, means 0. And r also, here it's minus, here is plus, means it's also 0, right? So you all have is 0, remove this one, and see here is 1 plus 1 plus 1, it's 3. Then divided by x power 3. X power 3, x power 3, it's always 1 because a by a is 1. But also how we can do, let's solve it different way. Okay, with law of indices we can solve this one. So this is one answer, it's okay. But how we can solve in another way using law of indices? This is divide, right? So this and this base are same, in between the base there is divide, right? So what we can do, x power is 3, right? 3 minus 3 is equal to x power 0. So anything power 0 is always 1. This is also the answer. Let's see the question number 3. Okay, question number C is this way, but in question there is a mistake. It should be plus here. So in the textbook there is error in the question, so we can solve it after we correct it. So it's correct form now. So let's start. It's nothing, just there is one formula of algebra and one formula of law of indices. So you need to remember both. If you have not yet seen that one, then go to my previous video of algebra and indices separately and see the formula, how we can derive or how we can write the formula. Okay, let's begin with this one. Now here it's a form like it's 1 and its power and also its power, right? Something power and it's also whole, something is power. So what we can do, it's like a power m power n, and the formula we know already, right? So remove this one. The formula is x a minus b into a plus b. This is the formula. Okay, into x b minus c into b plus c into c minus a c plus a. This is LHS, remember. Okay, now what we can see, a minus b, a plus b, it is the formula of a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b, then into b minus c, b plus c, means b square minus c square into it's c square minus a square. This formula I have taught in formula of algebra in previous videos. Go and see there, then you can recall it once again. Now use the law of indices. This is a base, this is also a base, this is also a base. Base is same, so write x. Okay, in between the bases there is multiplication, which means the power will be added now. So add the power, a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus this goes here, c square minus a square, right? Now just remove these lines. Now x, this one a square and here also a square, it's minus, plus minus 0, b and here b, minus b plus b, it's also 0, c here minus c plus c, it's also 0, then it's x power 0. If anything is power 0, then it's always 1. RHS, proved. It's so simple, so no need to panic. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll solve this type of question again in separate video, so we'll continue in that video. Thank you for watching. See you again.